For this part of locating places, we're going to jump into grid referencing. So grid referencing has to do with boxes. So if you realize, we have vertical lines and we have horizontal lines, and once they converge, we get boxes, and within these boxes, places are located there. So let's get familiar with the lines. So we have the easting lines, which are vertical lines that increase in value towards the east. So towards the east, these values increase in terms of numbers. Then now we have our northern lines, which are the horizontal lines that increase towards the north, as it says northerns. So they will definitely be increasing to the north. And that's how you differentiate between easterns and northerns. So let's identify easterns and northerns here. If we say that the yellow lines are our northerns, then you're correct, because guess what? They're increasing in value towards the north. So definitely these will be our northern lines. If we say that the green lines represent our easterns, then you're correct also, because if you look here, these values are increasing towards the east. So they will be our eastern lines. Now let's look at the steps. So we say that we get our eastern lines first, because remember, E comes before N in the alphabet. So always remember to put your easterns first. So you look at both eastern lines that you're working with, and then you determine which line the symbol has passed towards the east. You do now for the northern the same thing, but you look to see which line the symbol has passed going to the north. Then now you record both two digits, and that's where you get your 4 figure. So let's look at this example of the church. If we look at the church here, our two eastern lines that we'll be working with would be what? 12 and 13, right? And our two northern lines would be 23 and 24. So for the easterns, you're going to say which line has the church passed going towards the east. Has it passed 13? No. Has it passed 12? Yes. So you write down 12 for your eastern. Then now you go now to your northerns. We have 23 and 24. Has the church passed 24? No. Has it passed 23 going up? Yes. So in this case, your eastern would be 23 and your 4 figure would be 1223. It's not 12.23 nor 12 degrees and 23 degrees. It's 1223. Now let's look at some other examples to see how it works. For the school now, we are working with 12 or 13 for eastern. Has it passed 13? No. Has it passed 12? Yes. So you write down 12. You're going to look at the northerns. We have 21 and 22. Has it passed 22? No. Has it passed 21? Yes. For the airport, we're working with 14 and 15. Has it passed 15 going to the east? No. Has it passed 14? Yes. We look at the northerns, 21 and 22. Has it passed 22 going up north? No. Has it passed 21? Yes. So your northern would be 21. And for the hospital, we have 11 and 12. Has it passed 12? No. Has it passed 11? Yes. So you're going to have 11. And then for the northern, 23 and 24. Has it passed 24? No. Has it passed 23? Yes. And that's how you do your 4 figure.